उस रेत पर उसके कदमों के बड़े प्यारे प्यारे निशान बन रहे थे। प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, ओके, आई वांट टू प्ले वंस अगेन, ऐसे बोलना चाहिए। बेटा, यू लॉस्ट 5 टाइम्स। 11 beautiful, beautiful story. Again, beautifully delivered.
Said to bike rider.
Hit me once again.
Today it's Sunday, and Sunday means a beautiful fun day. All right, so we will have fun. Are you ready? Yes, sir. Wow, superb. Commendable. Okay, all the great adjectives for today's class. All right, so today we are going to do a great and very unique activity, and in this activity you will do storytelling. You will speak story, okay, and a story with complete climax, okay, complete emotion, okay, complete fun. There should be anger as well. There should be emotion, like ladies cry without any reasons, okay, sometimes. All right, so we boys also, but they cry behind the curtain. Boys cry behind the curtain and ladies cry on the stage. That's the difference actually. All right, so don't see the tears into your mother's eyes only, see the tears into your father's heart as well. All right, okay, all right, क्योंकि हर इमोशन में मम्मियाँ जीत जाती. You can handle it if you have it has any issue. You can handle it, okay? हर इमोशनल गेम में मम्मियाँ जीत जाती, पापा को कोई देखता ही नहीं. तो today you must set the tone of the class, okay, with the greatest start, okay? So how will you do the story? Okay, you know, every day I see one boy cross this road. Maybe in the morning, 5 o'clock, yes. It's reality. He walks very slow. It seems like he is doing some water technique. He is swimming in his walk. And one day I saw he was shouting, and I thought, there is some issue. I went there. Brother, what happened? You are the reason of my crime. I said, what did I do? I did nothing with you. No! You have beaten me. Excuse me, everyone, come, this man has beaten me. I did not do anything to you. One person came and he said, what happened? This man has slapped me a few minutes ago. Sir, I did not slap you. And finally, after some time, I came to know that that man was mad. I thought, in that a few seconds, I was imagining that I am in the bars actually. I am in the jail. I was in the prison. I had such type of thinking because of his great acting, you know. Okay, finally say you're mad man. Well, this man is mad. I'm not mad. This man is mad. I says all the mads say same thing. Bullet, once again he makes a mistake. Okay, every day he you know teases me. Bullet, when? Bullet, yesterday also he teased me. Bullet, I never. And you know that boy, that man who came, he believed in the madman, he did not believe in me. It's very sad. It's very sad, seriously. Okay, so understand this type of things are going on in the society, okay? Mad people are getting more respect. Very sad. Okay? Now, तो एक बनावटी स्टोरी करना है और आपको बनावटी बातें करनी. ठीक है? Alright, and whatever you want to do that, okay? Alright, so on this note, I want to call 3 students, okay? Name is not decided. Whoever want to to come can run on the stage, okay? Please run on towards the stage. Who is coming, please? Anyone? Yes. Okay, 2 students are here. Okay, in the list. Okay, all right. Okay. So you will do together, you will do separately.
We will do separately.
Separately. Okay. All right. You enjoy the stage.
Today I am here to tell a story. There was a man whose name was He. He. This is not pronoun, this is noun. He. His name was He. He went to market for buying something. Suddenly, there was a car blast. He was started crying. What happened? In the market, everywhere light was burning. Everywhere things are burning. All are crying, all crowds are running here and there. Can you imagine that time? What the pain public was having? He was running to the cops, he was going to the hospital. And that time there was no any type of telephones, no any type of mobiles. All the areas was full of cries and full of bloods. He was scared. And after a few seconds, he started doing toilet. Suddenly, he got a slap on his face. Oh my God! I'm on my bed. Mommy, why have you beaten me? He woke up, and the fear in his eyes was amazing. Thank you so much for listening my story.
Hi friends.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I am fine. You see a smile on my face? Yes. Today, मेरे प्यारे देवियों एवं सज्जनों, today I want to tell you a beautiful story of a king and his slave. The story is about Basa Akbar and his employee King Birbal. They are very good friends. They share. The king consult every time to the Birbal. One day, when Basa Akbar was cutting the apple,
Cut.
cutting the apple, his finger cut.
Yes.
He pakra, he said, oh my God, what happens? Oh, everyone come here. राजा को क्या हो गया? सामने देखा तो राजा का तो निकल गया. राजा का तो खून निकल गया. Everyone was weeping. Oh my God, please save us, our king. Start weeping. I am your king. Start weeping. Everyone. Weeping. My finger came. Then King Birbal came. What happens? Someone tell us, hey, Basa's finger was cut. Where? This is a finger. No, this is like a chips. No. Then king saw her face, her hand. Birbal saw the cut finger. He said, no problem, Basa. जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. King became very angry. I lost my finger and you are telling like this. पकड़ो इसको. जेल में बंद करो, उल्टा लटका इसको, इतना कोड़ा मारो. And उसने उसको जेल में भिजवा दिया.
Okay.
2 or 3 weeks after, the Akbar decided to go in a jungle. He went to jungle with his sathi. He was very confident because his slaves was with him. But in the jungle, when someone attacks him, everyone left the king. The king became alone. अकेला राजा क्या करेगा? Everyone was alone. Away from that place, king was alone. And the Nisad catch the king. उसने सोचा बड़ा मोटा हाथ लगा है, इस बार तो दावत अच्छी होगी।
ओके, हु हा
वो करने लगे and they catch the king and sent to their village. Everyone was enjoying. वाह कितना मोटा मिला है, इस बार महीने का तो इंतजाम हो ही गया। And everything was ready. Everyone was ready to cut the king's head. But when Pujari came, he saw, अरे इसका तो अंगुलिये न है, अब हम देवता को चढ़ाएं कैसे? Because they want a whole body.
यस,
Because
डिफेक्टेड पीस नहीं चलेगा।
affected fish not allowed. But the king lost his fingers. So कहा छोड़ दो, इसका भाग अच्छा है, इसको छोड़ दो।
यस, गुड।
Then Badshah Akbar realized that Birbal was saying right thing. जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है। अगर if I don't send him jail, he will come with me, and he was in full body. Okay, yes, he was in full body. If Nishad will left me, then he will definitely cut my friend Akbar's head. So जो होता है अच्छे के लिए,
जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है, बोलो। जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है। Well done, very well done. Okay, all right. You want to come? Okay, ये कटने आ रहा बिरबल। Okay, all right. बिरबल is coming to be cut actually. Okay, actually ये होता है कि कोई भी बलि जो है कोई भी डिफेक्टेड पीस का नहीं होता है, बिल्कुल पूरी तरीके से स्वस्थ होना चाहिए, तो इसी वजह से बेचारा अकबर बच गया। All right, now it's your turn.
Good morning to ladies and gentlemen.
2 ladies and 4 gentlemen. अच्छा start. Good morning, 2 ladies and 4 gentlemen and rest. All right, continue please. Yes.
The solution of that problem. So thank you for having me.
Again, thank you very much. Actually, आपने सिर्फ स्टोरी सुनाया, हमें स्टोरी के साथ एक्टिंग भी था करना, ठीक है? ओके, तो इस स्टोरी में भी हम कुछ तो डाल ही सकते थे। या कौवा बनने का हिम्मत था, कौवा ने
I don't have wings. That's why. How can I become?
We have wings.
You don't need to fly, just need to sit.
actually somehow we are tying ourselves actually.
Right.
This I cannot do. This I cannot do. That is not in my control, you know.
Right, sir.
One day I was trying that and everybody was laughing at me. What do you think? People should cry for you?
No, sir.
Do you want to become the reason of cry?
No.
You want to become the reason of a smile?
Yeah.
What? You want to become the reason of a smile or cry?
Yes,
मुस्कुराने की वजह बनना है या रोने की?
that's smile.
जल्लाद?
A reason of a smile.
Okay, जल्लाद? Let people laugh. What? Let people laugh. You know, there was a crab. It was walking on the beach. हाँ, जूहू चौपाटी पे. It was walking on the beach. It has small legs, very tiny, very beautiful. It was walking with full fun. ऐसा लग रहा था ससुराल जा रहा है, इतना खुश था वो उस दिन. It was walking with full fun, okay? And it was, looking at the footprint, okay? Made on the surface, okay? I mean on the sand. समुंदर के किनारे में बालू की होता है ना भाई, रेत होता है ना, उस रेत पर उसके कदमों के बड़े प्यारे प्यारे निशान बन रहे थे. उसको देख करके it was very happy. It was like, it was flying in the
heaven. It was flying in the sky. It was full of fun, okay? It was thinking, I am on the, seventh cloud, yes. It was thinking, मैं स्वर्ग में हूँ. It was having full fun, but कोई भी खुशियाँ बहुत दिनों तक नहीं टिकती यार. कहते हैं ना, खुशियों की उम्र बहुत छोटी होती है और ये दुख के दिन बहुत बड़े होते हैं. बरसात के मौसम सिर्फ 1 महीने के लिए आते हैं, तहस नहस करके चले जाते हैं हमारे अरमानों के. होते ना, सेम उसके साथ हुआ. The happiness couldn't last long, okay? Just for a few seconds, okay? After that, what happened? The mighty sea showed its power. And you know what happened? The sea removed the footprint, okay, on the sand. The crab started crying. It started cursing the sea. It started telling sea, you're mighty, you're powerful, you're arrogant, you destroyed my happiness. You destroyed my footprint. One day you will come to know, you will destroy, okay? I am free. 1 second I will make my footprint, but 1 second you cannot come on the shore. You cannot come on the bank of, yourself, okay? It is the last day. I am cursing you. Okay? The sea said, tiny creature, please understand. But I don't want to understand anything. Don't speak anything. Please listen to me. Why will I listen to you? You destroyed me. I'm going to listen to you. No. I won't listen to you. I will complain to my gods, okay? Almighty gods, okay, for you. You showed your power against the small creature, weak creature. What is this? Better listen to me. First listen to me. I want to share you something. Bolo. There was a hunter. He was following your footprint and he wanted to hunt you. I saved you from him. Then the crab started telling us, please forgive me. I made a mistake, please. I couldn't understand you, okay? So the moral of the story is this: sometimes we are not able to see, okay, the decision of Almighty God, okay? All right, thank you.
So, hello everyone. Hello. I hope you are fine.
Yes.
Yeah, I am also perfectly fine. So, today I am going to tell you a story, and it is a type of motivational story, you can say. So, I would love to start from telling you, like, who is going to be the main character of this story. The main character is a boy and his father as well. And this is the story of a son and his father. So there was a village in which a son and his father used to live together. And his son was very cute, very intelligent, but it has a different personality as well.
Yes.
He was very
क्लैप करने
curious.
मना नहीं था, लेकिन आप लोग सोचते हो यार. That's fine.
So, he was very curious and rigid as well. One day, he thought in the evening that I must play chess. And guess what? He told his father that, Father, I want to play chess with you. And his father replied very sweetly that, okay, fine. We will play together when you want to play. And his son was very curious. He said, why not right now? I would love to play right now. And he started playing chess. First time, before starting the game, his son told to his father that, Father, let me tell you one thing and let me clear you one thing, and that is, don't be very polite to me. Use your 100%. Use your 100% mind play as much as you can, and guess what? His son lose. Obviously, his father was more intelligent than his son, so he lose first time.
He lost.
Yeah, he lost first time, and he told his father, he request actually that please, I want to play one more time, please give me a chance.
Please.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And guess what? His father said, okay, fine.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, we will play. And he played second time. And guess what? He lost again. And again he started requesting, please father, please, I want to play, please. And his father couldn't say no. So they play again. And as usual, he lost again. This happened, I think, 10 or 11 times. And he was like, his father was like, I am just irritated. How are you mad or what? How much will you play? And his son's statement just, I can say, just impressed, I can say, his father, or just shocked his father. And guess what? What does his son replied? He replied in a very beautiful way and very important thing that you should learn. He said, Father, it will not be enough until and unless I win. So this was the story, and I think you should learn from this story that it's not enough to give enough energy. You think that it's enough to give this much energy, but it's not like that. You are not enough until you win. So just give your 200%.
जब तक जीत ना जाए तब तक हम हार नहीं मानेंगे, है ना? ये एटीट्यूड चाहिए। अभी मैंने बोला कि स्टूडेंट्स आएंगे एंड दे विल स्पीक, लेकिन आप में से बहुत सारे लोग अभी भी वो परफेक्ट मोमेंट का इंतजार कर रहे हैं ना, यू वेटिंग अ परफेक्ट मोमेंट, है ना? एक ऐसा समय चाहिए जब हर चीज हमारे हिसाब से हो। Everything should run on my condition. The world is not designed, excuse me, the world is not designed to satisfy you only. Because you are not the owner of the world actually. There are 8 billion people in this world, and everybody thinks that he has to be given extra care. He has to be given extra care. 8 बिलियन लोग में से हर किसी का यही चाहत है कि मेरे में अलग से थोड़ा ध्यान दे देना। मतलब तुमने ऐसा क्या किया है कि तुम पे अलग से ध्यान दिया जाएगा, राइट? तो डोंट बिकम दामाद जी ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। होता ना, मतलब कुछ ज्यादा ही नहीं मान लेते हैं हम, मतलब मेहमान जी, मेहमान जी। You and we are just bloody creatures who have not done anything extraordinary. All right? Okay. So don't think this way. The world is not designed to satisfy you. Okay. All right. The world is not designed to satisfy you only. Don't become मेहमान जी, दामाद जी, हाँ, कि हमरा मतलब अलग से रिस्पेक्ट होना चाहिए। कुछ अलग तुमने नहीं किया है। ओके, ऑलराइट, आपको बोलना चाहिए, डैड प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, ओके आई वांट टू प्ले वंस अगेन, ऐसे बोलना चाहिए। बेटा, यू लॉस्ट 5 times,
11 times.
let me play 6 times, papa, you don't love me. बोले, who said?
I said to you.
You are the example of my love. With your mother, but yeah, with your mother. Okay, I love. My heart is full of love. क्या? My heart is full of love. Okay, I always love you. Let me play once again. Play. 8 times he lost, 9 times he lost, 10 times he lost, and finally 11th time, beta, tell me, for how many days, for how many times will you play more? Beta said, until and unless I win, I will play. पापा 1 second से बोले कमीने माँ पे गया पूरी तरीके से। बाप क्या कह रहा, कमीने माँ पे गया पूरी तरीके से। तू ये क्यों नहीं कहता जब तक तुम हार नहीं जाओगे तब तक मैं खेलूंगा। बोले पापा आप सही समझे। You understand? Okay, आप सही समझे। मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी ये है कि आपको माँ जी जब तक तोड़ेंगे ना आए तब तक छोड़ेंगे ना आए। ओके, ये एटीट्यूड लेके चलना है, हार तो कबूल ही नहीं। ठीक है, वेरी ग्रेट स्टोरी बट प्रेजेंटेड विद वीक मेंटालिटी, इज एक्चुअली वीक एक्टिंग।
I'm not actor.
Am I an actor? Excuse me. Am I an actor? Am I an actor? I'm not an actor, by the way. I'm just spoiling the acting. हम acting को spoil कर रहे हैं बस. So one actor is here, okay, and he is today crow. कौवा बनेगा ही. Okay.
Of course, I'll become crow.
No, he will become the crow today,
And I will
he
become
will
like
okay
crow,
drop some
crow.
pebbles into the peaches. Okay. हाँ, पीचेस भी आपको दे दूं मैं। वेयर इज द पीचेस? ओके, इस पीचेस में आप पीबल्स को डालते रहेंगे। ओके, लाइक दिस। ओके, अपने एक्सक्यूज मी, नो प्रॉब्लम। कंटिन्यू।
Another story.
व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू डू। मैंने तो बोला ही नहीं रोकने के लिए, जो बोलना है वो बोलो।
I'm here with another
हंसते भी हो,
story.
हंसो खुल के यार,
and
हंसो ना।
that story is crow and a clever fox. I hope you heard this story before.
Yes, I hear.
There was a crow who was seated on a branch of a tree. The crow was very happy because the crow got a piece of chapati.
Roti.
He,
Let him speak.
he was very happy because he got a piece of chapati and he was holded in his beak. Choch. And one hungry fox was wandering for food to eat, and he saw that same crow who was seated on the branch of a tree, and he thought, I wish that piece of bread, that piece of chapati would I have. He started thinking and one idea came in his mind.
Yes.
Clever idea.
Yes.
And he started.
Sit and say, you sing so beautifully. Yes.
And he started walking towards the crow.
Yeah.
And he said politely, crow brother, your wings are very beautiful.
Yes.
Your voice is very
melodious.
Yes. Your color is very impressive.
Yes. Your face is like Aishwarya Rai. Yes.
I want to listen a song from you. I request you.
Yes.
I request you to
You're
sing a song
Anuradha
for
Pujman.
me.
Yes.
I request you to sing a song for me, please. Sing a song
Sing a song, please.
for me. And crow impressed.
Yes. And you
After
started
hearing
singing.
this, and he said, and he, after listening,
What he's saying?
He started singing.
he started, when he opened his beak,
Yes. And he started singing.
the piece of bread fell down.
अरे तो गीत कौन सा था?
The picked up that piece of bread and he flew away.
Beautiful, beautiful story. Okay, beautifully delivered.
And Carol was singing a song with full energy. Oh my God!
मेरा गीत अमर। Okay. मैं क्लैप मत करना, मेहंदी लगे हुए तुम्हारे हाथों में। बेशर्मो, आने वाले अगली बार अगले जन्म जो होंगे ना तुम्हारे, मेहंदी वाले कम्युनिटीज में होगी, समझ लेना तुम फिर। ओके, समझ लेना फिर। क्या क्लैप कभी नो? What is that? ये लोग इमेजिन कर रहा था मेरे हाथ में मेहंदी लगाऊंगा। अरे नहीं रहने दो, मेरा चेहरा मत देखो। यस,
Beautiful hand.
ओके ओके।
Crow was kept looking that fast and he started regretting.
यस,
I wish I would not sing a song.
ओके, थैंक यू, वेरी ब्यूटीफुली डिलीवर्ड दिस स्टोरी। ओके, यस, ओके, थैंक यू, वेल डन।
The moral of this story is eat your food after that sing a song.
Good, beautiful, excellent.
I don't want to lose my food. I don't want to lose my food.
पहले अपना रसगुल्ला खा लो, दूसरे रसगुल्ला को ना ब्याह में। नहीं, कुछ लोग होते हैं शादी ब्याह में दूसरे प्लेट पे।
Double sweets.
Okay, eat
Then I get
your
mine.
plate, finish your plate first, and after that you look at other plate. Otherwise you will lose yours. Okay, thank you very much. Okay.
How was it?
That was fabulous. Fabulous.
Good morning, everyone. How are you? I'm also fine. Some time ago, there was a man, and his name was Ayush. He was a bicycle rider. And he was going to traffic chalk to buy some fruits by NH31. When he was going to traffic chalk, a bike rider came and hit Ayush and touched him. After that, Ayush said to bike rider,
Hit me once again.
"No, no.
I did not hurt. Hit me once again.
Why you hit me?
Why did you hit me?
Why did you hit me?"
Tell me.
That man said, "If I want, I will hit you."
Again.
Yes, again.
Yeah.
Ayush didn't do anything,
Yes.
but Ayush was cursing that man.
Yeah.
Silently cursing.
Yeah. He was
Why?
cursing actually.
Why?
Yeah.
Ayush can also do anything. He could not do anything because he was alone. And that man was with 3 friends. So Ayush was cursing that man. After that, one uncle came and to meet.
Can I stop it because of the space for issues?
After one uncle came to meet Ayush and he said to Ayush that man faced accident. Ayush
कलमू है वो कलमू है जुबान चेक करो इसका Yeah, this man, you understand? भाई बच के रहना Yes, ऐसे मत करो, बद्दुआ दे देगा ऑनलाइन Very sad, yeah.
Ayush said to uncle, uncle, बुरा काम का बुरे नतीजा क्यों वे चाचा? Uncle said, अरे हाँ रे भतीजा.
Oh, well done. Very beautiful. That's great. Okay, that's great. Okay, all right. Thank you very much. Beautiful. Actually.
This story teaches us we should not persecute anyone.
Yes. We
So,
should not
thanks.
persecute anyone. That's very beautiful. Shadi no iski. Yeah. Do this. Okay. This dance will go very nicely actually.
I want to attend her marriage.
मतलब चाहते हो ये रोए?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is the earlier curse for him.
Yes.
Budarim this is.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, may you have 5 wives, okay? And okay, thank you very much. Okay, तो एक बोनस है. कोई नया बच्चा अगर एंजॉय करना चाहता है इस एक्टिविटी में, नया बच्चा मतलब नया मतलब समझ ही रहे हैं आप. ओके, तो you understand? Any new students okay want to come on the stage, okay, with any story, maybe any story, show your courage, please show your courage. साहस दिखाइए कैमरा के सामने आने का. Ladies and gentlemen, fearful lady and fearful man, yeah. कहते ना होनहार पूत के पैर पालने में ही देखे जाते हैं. ये है वो बंदा. तीसरा दिन है और स्टेज पे कैमरा के सामने है आपके. ऑलराइट, लकी बॉय. यस,
Good morning, everyone.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
How are you? I am also fine. I am here to tell you a story of a turtle and a rabbit race. One day, a rabbit said to turtle, I ran faster than you.
I ran faster than you, turtle. Yeah, ऐसे बोलना है ना.
I ran faster than you, turtle.
Yeah, okay.
Turtle replied,
Yeah.
okay, let's do a race
Okay.
tomorrow.
कल.
Tomorrow,
Yeah.
turtle and rabbits come near the river
Yeah.
and fix the starting and ending point of race.
Right. Yes. Line मारते हैं. Line. Start और युवा end. नहीं दौड़ना. हाँ. Yes. Last mark.
And starts the race.
Yes.
Rabbit run faster than turtle and turtle walk slowly.
I'm not talking about your performance. I'm talking about my performance. Okay. You said okay. Very bad. Okay. So तुम नहीं बोलो कोई बात नहीं. मैं खुद को कहता हाँ sir, you are the best. Okay. All right. Thank you for watching the complete video. And if you want to share it with everyone who wants to laugh and learn. This video must be to them actually. So do not waste your time in thinking. Start sharing. Do it. Okay. And you want to like? I know you'll want to like. Okay. Like this beautiful video. And if you're still new, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Okay.